Hello there, welcome back to Home Mystics. My name is Suta Westerhoff, and I created this channel to share my thoughts, some inspiration, and some ideas on creating homes that inspire us all and that make us happy people. Today I don't have a particular topic. I just thought I would talk about random things that come up in my mind, generally about organizing and decluttering and getting our homes organized. It's almost the end of the year. It's October already, and I know that a lot of you have not reached your home organizing goals yet, and it feels like time is running out. Um, yeah, so I just thought I'll have a random conversation with you today about that because, you know, what I want you to understand is that we all want a well functioning, beautiful home. Everyone wants it. So, wanting something, I mean, really, really desperately, badly wanting something, cannot be the solution or the magic potion to getting what we want. It takes a lot more than just wanting something to get it. Okay, we have to put things in place. We need strategies, we need routines, we need systems that are according to the way that we live, that suit our lifestyle, not what other people have. I always repeat that are tailored to suit us and the season of life that we're in, to help us to get to that place where our home functions well and supports us in our everyday life. Things just don't happen on their own. They are a result of choices and choices that we make and things that we do in our everyday life. A messy home is not just a mere accident. It is a reflection of habits and decisions that accumulate over time. An organized home is also a creation born from intentionality and effort put into making it what it is. So by taking small, consistent steps towards cleanliness and tidiness, you can transform your living space into a sanctuary of peace and productivities. But remember, remember that you have the power to the power to shape your environment just as you shape your life. Embrace the journey along the way. Embrace the journey of creating a home that inspires you, uplifts your spirit, and helps your personality to grow. Every effort you make, every step that you take towards a more harmonious home will help you in a more getting a more fulfilling existence. We all know that there are many reasons why a person's home can become cluttered and disorganized. I made a video on that. I'll put it up here somewhere and you can go and have a look at it if you feel like it's something that might interest you. The state of our home has a lot to do with the things that we experience that cause us to do things a certain way, the choices that we make. It just doesn't happen on its own. A messy, overcluttered home does not happen on its own. And that's exactly how a nice, well functioning, organized, clean home cannot work, cannot just appear on its own. You've got to do the work. Yeah. I also want you to understand that you're not reaching your home goals at times because you haven't taken the S in the goals away. By focusing on creating your dream home as a singular goal, you can channel your energy and your resources into a cohesive vision, a clear vision that inspires you. And when you simplify your approach, you eliminate the overwhelm that comes with doing multiple things at the same time. It will help you to embrace the journey a lot more. Remember, small steps will bring you closer to your dream. So try not to see them as goals. It sounds so many. Your home goal. And it takes time. It takes patience and perseverance. And you will get there by taking it step by step. Step by step. Focus, and you can turn your vision into reality, one intentional choice at a time. An organized home is also a creation, one that begins with your determination to change. And by putting in the right systems and the right routines, you're not just tidying up, you're building a foundation for a more peaceful, productive environment. So shake off the stress and the worrying and start moving. Each small step you take will move you away from the chaos to clear, to a sanctuary that you envision. Embrace the journey, and soon you will find yourself thriving in clarity in a beautifully organized home. A well-functioning home is not just about aesthetics. It's about resilience and preparation. So every day you will face challenges, and those giants that threaten the peace in your home and your productivity, you need to do things to keep them under control. To conquer these obstacles, you must show up ready for battle, armed with the right tools and determined to make it work with the right mindset. Laziness is the enemy of progress. So rise to the occasion, establish routines and declutter regularly. Invest in systems that work for you. By staying proactive and being motivated, engaged to make a difference every single day, you will not only defeat these giants, but also create the atmosphere that you want to have in your home that supports your dreams and your aspirations. Really, I want to remind you again why I think it's so important that we pay attention to our homes. There is something you can do, and that there is a lot that you can gain from creating or getting your home in order. You know, sometimes I see people that struggle with waking up in the morning or getting things done at home, and they're overwhelmed with the way things are. And I believe that simple steps and routines and changes in the home can help these people to be able to live their days more comfortably and in a happier way. So if you know anyone that's struggling and may need help, maybe just having a short conversation with them or sharing my channel. I think having such conversations help people to reflect a lot more. And it's that reflecting, that thinking that's going to be your motivation to start decluttering and organizing your home. I wish you a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you know someone who might be interested, feel free to share. I wish you happy decluttering, happy cleaning, happy organizing. See you next time. Bye-bye.